Okay, so just as a matter of course, because I have some time, I'm going to go through and touch up the solder joints on this board because, you know, it comes from China and they do a pretty darn good job, but there's some points here, see if I can see it. You can see some of the solder joints are, it looks like they're not the best. They either have too much solder on them, like this one, or it might not have seated correctly. Yeah, you can see there's a bunch of solder. I don't have any way to actually really pull that off, but I'll just do little bits at a time here with my soldering iron. There's also some other points here where they snipped off, where they got really long. The wires coming through. Not the wires, but the leads. And so they snipped them off, so it may have fractured the solder joints. Stuff like that. So I'm going to go through and just touch up as many solder joints as I can, and the ones that don't look nice, make them look nice. Maybe add a little solder, hopefully help this function just a little bit better. Alright. I'll take that. Not the best job in the world, but a little more solder, and cleaned up a few places I think were a little messy.